Hello YouTube, Louis here. I found this article interesting this morning. This is from thestreet.com and written by Daniela Camboni. Without this, major gold producers won't survive. The Indiana Jones of the gold world has a stern warning for miners. Find more gold ASAP. KitCo News. Known as the Indiana Jones of the gold world, famed geologist Brent Cook has a stern warning for miners. There's a serious gold shortage. The major gold producers are not finding enough of the metal and need to start acquiring smaller projects and companies to fill the gap, said Cook on the sidelines of the Precious Metals Summit in Beaver Creek, Colorado. The one big change I have seen this year is that the major companies are putting a lot more money into the juniors, about $300 million worth, said Cook, a veteran geologist. The majors need to replace their reserves, and I don't care what the price of gold is. If I can own the company that finds the highest margin deposit, I don't care what the price of gold is at. When deciding which company to put your money on, Cook said to look for miners that are capable of producing a couple of million ounces of gold and have good solid management.
More so now?
I think so. I think the one big change I've seen this year has been the major companies are starting to put a lot more money into the juniors, either by financings or joint ventures. I mean, I think by mid-year they'd put about 300 million into the juniors. That's a lot of money in the juniors. And we just saw Kirkland Lake put 56 million into Novo Gold. We saw Arian
Right.
get a bunch of money.
So there's a desire for new projects, new stuff, right? Is that what the main
Exactly.
catalyst is?
In-house, they're not finding enough in-house to replace what they're mining. And they're looking 5-10 years down the road, which is a timeline to build a mine. They need to come in and start finding it now. So they're looking at the qualified, excellent juniors and putting money into that.
So is now, at the same time, are you paying attention to the price of gold?
I look at it every day, but I don't really.
It doesn't impact your decision whatsoever?
No. I think more important right now is recognizing that the major mining companies need to replace their reserves. And I don't care what the gold price or zinc price is, they need to replace those reserves. So if I can own the company that finds the highest margin deposit, I don't care.
Very interesting article. So what do you think? Do you think that maybe all that Amazon gold, illegally mined gold, coming off the market has made these retailers, made the miners nervous, and now they're looking for another source? Are you a buyer of gold mines? Do you follow the minor gold mines, the major gold mines? Do you think it's a good time to invest in those, even with gold kind of on a high at the moment, a little lower as of the last couple of days? What are your thoughts about gold miners, and how interesting that he doesn't really care what the price of gold is? He says we are running out. Do you believe that, or is this a pump piece? Be interested to hear your thoughts below. Thanks, YouTube. Louis signing out.